What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Grammarly extension which is not working in Chrome. So first off, head over to Google Chrome and on your right side at the top you can see this extensions tab. You can just simply click on this extensions tab, or you can click on this three dots and you can find extensions and manage extensions from here. So as you can see, these are my extensions, and make sure Grammarly is toggled on. But what do I mean by toggled on is if the toggle is of this color, that means if the toggle is gray, it means that the Grammarly is not enabled. Just turn it on to blue so it will be enabled and you will be able to use it. But if you are new to Grammarly and you want to install the extension, right click again on the three dots, over to extensions and then visit Chrome Web Store. From here you can download Grammarly. Just simply go to this extensions and search for Grammarly, and here you will see that you can install from here. And as I have already installed Grammarly, it shows me to remove it from Chrome, but I don't want to for now. So if you want, you can again go to this puzzle like picture and click on it, and you will see the option of the spin. Just if you click on the spin, you can see Grammarly on your toolbar. So this is how your Grammarly will work again on Chrome. That was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.